When your life is disrupted, remember the trusted professionals at 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning are here to help. We offer complete repair, maintenance, and service of all your heating and air conditioning needs. Your complete satisfaction with our services and technicians is 100% guaranteed. Our on-time guarantee is one of the best in the country and backed by heating and air technicians who are trained, skilled, and experienced to exceed your expectations and needs. You will never be kept waiting. We're always on time, or you don't pay a dime. Our technicians are friendly, clean, polite, drug-tested, and experienced. And our techniques are state-of-the-art. And we use high-quality parts to make sure the job is done right the first time. And we offer upfront and straightforward pricing. From indoor air quality tests to ductwork to the latest programmable thermostats and complete heating and air conditioning repair, maintenance, and service, remember, 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning.